Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I've got some more flannels to do review today. And I got these on their 4th of July day sale or weekend sale. Again, these are a company I have done a review for in the past. They make great flannels. And I just happened to run across a sale that I couldn't pass up. I mean, when you have 400 flannels, what's 405? You know what I mean? At that point, you might as well keep the collection going, right? So they had a sale. Divided Flannel Company, or I'm sorry, Divided Flannel Company. I think I said dividend the last time I did a review on these guys. But they are the Divided Flannel Company. Let's go ahead and open it right up. I don't remember how many I ordered. I know I ordered a few. I sure did. And I hope they have the names on these, because otherwise I have no idea without pulling up the shop app. All right, so let me pull up the shop app, because there's no names on them. I don't want to give you bad information here. That's the last thing I want to do, is give you guys bad information. All right, let's go ahead and see. These were delivered today, I believe. So let's go ahead and go to there. And Divided Flannel Company. Divided Flannel Company. All right, so I got it pulled up here. I got 4 of them all together. All right, so I got the... That's not that. Let's go ahead and do right by the order here. All right, so we're going to do the first one first. This one is the Crow Men's Long Sleeve Flannel. This is it here, the Crow. Let's go ahead and open this bag up. And one thing I like about Divided Flannel is that very soft. Super soft. Right there, the softness of retro rifle. I like the colors on this one. And there it is. Again, this is the Crow. I like that a lot. And of course, you got the divided on the pocket, as well as on the bottom of the flannel, like where you would usually get where everybody puts their information on there at. So that is the Crow. And the next one is the dun, 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 dun. This one is called the Hanya flannel. I believe that's, yep. The Hanya it is. 3XL. Let's go ahead and open this one up. You know what? I'm wondering what the hell they're called. And my boneheaded butt, it's on the collar. Not this one though. So this one's the Crow, but it has the Crow as the as the logo there, sitting on the branch. This one here. And one thing I like about these also is that, is the Crow like that? The Crow is the, all right, so the Crow is actually a button up. Divided Flannel Company's on the buttons. And then on the Hanya one, I'm hoping I pronounced that right, not butchering it. Or Hanya, or whatever it might be. Again, these are super soft flannels. And these are snap buttons. This one here is a snap button. Here. And oh, this one actually has the Glad Hatters on there. Hanya Glad Hatters. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's got the Glad Hatters on the pocket. And on the bottom of the flannel, Glad Hatters again. Again, this is the Hanya. Really dope looking flannel there as well. So the next one we got is the, what is this one called? Come on. Oh, this one here is the Evil Alloy. Men's Evil Alloy 3XL. This looks like it's black and red. And I just came across the damn packing slip. Huh. And a sticker. You got a little sticker on there. All right. Well, I wish I would have had this, because then I would have been leveling up the shop app, but I did find it. And this is the Evil Alloy. Yeah, this is pretty sick too. Got the Evil Alloy out of the pocket. How about the back tag on that one? And the Evil Alloy at the bottom. Again, this is like a black and red. And last but not least, we have the Chop Shop. The Chop Shop, bottoms up Chop Shop collab. Let's take all the little pegs off this one. Got to take the trash out now. Super soft flannels. It's called the Chop Shop on the pocket. Bottoms up Chop Shop flannel 3XL. On the bottom as well. This is black and gray. This one actually has divided on the bottom of the tag. All right. So now we got some trying on to do. Let's see what these look like. As soon as I find them in a row. So the first one I have on is the bottoms up Chop Shop. Let's go ahead and stand up, show you what this one looks like on. Again, this is a 3XL. These fit a little bit loose like Hales. Hales does feel a little bit baggier than what Dixon does in my opinion. But yeah, here it is here. This is the bottoms up Chop Shop. Black and gray. Looks good. Looks good. Of course, you got the buttons here. It says the bottoms up Chop Shop. All right. So this one here I'm going to give like a 4.2. Feels good flannel. I like the baggy fit. Let's try the next one on. And this one is the Evil Alloy. Red and black and a little bit of gray in there. Let's go ahead and show you what this one looks like. Another perfect flannel. Love the way these fit. Divided makes great flannels. And like I said, they're soft. They just feel great. I rank them up there. They're top 3 for sure for flannel company makers, in my opinion. But this is the Evil Alloy. And on the button it says Evil Alloy. Evil Alloy. Look at that. Yep. All right. So this one here I give like a 4.4. Let's go and try the next one. This is the Hanya or Hanya. I don't know how you pronounce that. Another perfect flannel. This one has the snap buttons on it, so it's a little bit easier to unbutton and button, which I like the snap buttons. Those are nice. All right, let's go ahead and stand up, show you what they look like. Again, another great fitting flannel. I love a little bit of looseness. This is a 4.5 flannel. Another great flannel, but divided. Wow. All 3 are bangers so far. And I saved which I like the most, the best for last, was the Crow. Hopefully it stacks up to my expectations. Let's go ahead and find out. All right, I have the Crow on. And just as I thought, this is my favorite one. It's a 4.8. Love the colors. Even the buttons. They say Crow on the buttons on this one. Nope, just says Divided Flannel on the button on this one. But let's go ahead and show you what this one looks like. Again, this is the Crow. I dig it. Another great flannel. All these are bangers. All of them were hit home runs. If you don't have a Divided flannel, you need to go pick one up. And yeah. Yeah, so on my rankings, I'm going to go with the Crow being number 1. I'm going to go with the bottoms up, number 2, the Chop Shop. And then I'll go with the Hanya collab. And then the Evil Alloy. But all those are pretty much 2 through 4 is a wash, to be honest with you. But the Crow, number 1. Highly recommend you guys give these guys a shot. Divided, you guys do a great job. Keep it up. I'll be getting more in the future. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.